Hi everyone, welcome. I guess this is the first Twist Talk face reveal, but here you have it. But today we're gonna be doing I have a wind tunnel here. Hold on. We got some mini models here, and we're gonna take them and put them in a wind tunnel and see how they do. Uh, should be pretty cool. Uh, but yeah, we should be able to see some aerodynamics of these models here. We got printers behind me working on stuff for some of this, so uh, we'll go check it out once that's done. So this is the wind tunnel we're gonna be using today. This is the intake for smoke. I don't have it on there right now, but that's where your smoke's gonna come in. It comes down and chamfers into this little glass area. This is where our models are gonna go. And it comes out the back, we'll fan back here. I printed this a while ago for a little project. It's been sitting, it's kind of dusty, but we're gonna use it for this video. It should be pretty cool. So here is the interceptors we're going to be using today on wind tunnel tests. We have Dominator 3, Tornado Attack, Dom 1, Dorothy, Dom 2, Tiv 2, and Tiv 1. All will be put through wind tunnel tests today. Oh, wow. I can't show you this unless I show you what I printed on, which happens to be the sponsor of this video. So this is my Snapmaker U1. It's pretty incredible, as you can see. Sounds pretty cool, and it's a pretty awesome printer. Snapmaker sent it to me to do sponsorship, whatever. They sent me a lot of filament, and so I printed all kinds of stuff on it. I've used it for probably like 150 hours of print time on it. I use it for all kinds of stuff, like this Tiv 1 model that I'm doing for Robert Clayton right now. Video on this coming soon, but it is 4 colors, full multicolor, and on a normal printer it would take like, I don't know, a day and a half to print. And on this, it only took 12 hours. That's a third of the time. With zero waste, by the way. And it's crazy. It's like, it's a really nice printer. And not only that, it comes with a dragon. I'll show on screen here, because your first print. This is the first print that ever came off the printer. No benchy, nothing else, no setup at all the calibration on its own. The first print. Look how clean this is. So if you're looking for a printer that's gonna love you back and is not too hard on your wallet, this thing is $8.99, and which is pretty good for what it would get with it. And I think it's just a great printer. So if you guys want it, go check it out. It's linked below. And yeah, back to the video. So here's Tiv. So as you can see, looks really cool. We got some vortices back here. Look at those vortices. You can see them up above here. Right there, spiraling after it comes off the back is not very aerodynamic. It's not so. It's pretty crazy seeing all these little. See, there's a vortex right there getting caught up, a little vortice up in front of that turret getting caught. But it's kind of crazy how you can see the front flap is distributing that air all the way around Tiv. Here's a look from the side. As you can see, you got all kinds of turbulent air coming down over. Looks crazy. Your angle here, you can see that those little triangles on the side are distributing that air around Tiv. It's going all the way down over. So here's Dominator 2. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty good. Look at that. Some spirals down there in the front. Look at our side view here, and you can see it's hitting the mirror and spiraling off of it. It's crazy. It's got a crazy like vortex going on there. Look at that. It's like you can see all the airflow that's getting stopped by it. All the air that's getting hung up back here. That poor thing. And they even left that gap in the front. And you can see it's not helping whatsoever. Wind resistance there behind it. It's just hung up for like a. You can see the air is actually getting sucked under. But it's not really helping. All this air is getting stuck in the front. You can see it's actually going under the body there. It's literally doing the exact opposite of what the flaps are meant to do. And it's all getting stuck up front because it can't go anywhere. You can see the air coming out the front from that little gap. That's crazy. Here's a better view of what that little spiral in the back looks like. Next up we have Tornado Attack, which actually is looking pretty good. You can see we got a little bit of trapped air back there. I mean, that front is perfectly displacing air. I got Tornado Attack from behind. I don't know if it's just because it's low, but as you can see that air is getting pushed up. You can actually see it going up and it getting sucked over the top there because it's more like an airfoil shape. And it's actually really good. Let's turn up our wind speeds a bit here. There's some air getting caught over there over the hood, as you can see. Here's a look at our side view. As you can see, it's still extremely aerodynamic. It just flows right over, no air gets caught. Pretty good. Next we have Dominator 1. It's a little bit of an angled brick, but as you can see, I mean, it's flowing nice. It's going right up over. It's from behind now, as you can see it. Nice, good angled flow up over. No air is getting caught. It looks really nice. Not bad from Dominator 1. And on the side flow, we do have some air getting caught, but not looking too terrible. Could be worse. Here's Dominator 3. As you can see, it looks have our nice airflow over. There's not really much. There's a little bit of air. I don't know if you can see. There's a little bit of smoke getting caught back there. But overall, really good airflow. I think Dom 3 is probably one of the most aerodynamic interceptors for all you tornado kids. Let's try to turn up the wind speeds a little bit. There we go. Pretty good. Bring it back down. See, about the same. And you can see the back, it's pretty aerodynamic because you can see it's even kind of floating around with how those windows sit, but it's you can see it's getting caught in the mirror a little bit there. Yeah, look at that mirror. It looks pretty. It's like getting caught around that, and then we got a bunch of trapped air up front from that blunt nose, but overall, not too bad. From the side view, it looks pretty good. Have some vortices, but you can see it's flowing right over and not doing too bad. So I mean, that looked pretty cool. That kind of gives you an idea how aerodynamic interceptors are. But if you want to go down, check out if you want any 3D models like the Tip 1, Tip 2 you saw from the video today. Go check that down out. I got my link tree looking down below, so you can check any models you want to pull 3D. My eBay's down there if you want to do restocks. Possibly come to a TikTok shop. I don't know. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. See you later.